here is hot. Please on your essay.
You had money.
Like, I don't understand. Add money for what?
It's a normal thing now.
If you can't take what is on the cap, Oga cancel.
No problem, you can go down.
Bam. What is the advantage of being a Nigerian? Nothing. Everything about Nigerian are disadvantage. You don't confirm Abi? Abi?
Oh, hey, crush him out, boy. Let him. Hello, sir.
Can you come pick me?
Why not? If not, on them room, my mini-me. Where are you? Just send me your live location.
Yeah, the idiot ride I booked refused to on AC. I'm so angry right now. Like, I'm so pissed.
Why now? Why no green on it? See, listen, I am coming there. Just send me your live location.
Okay.
Now. I'm coming there now.
Okay.
Like now.
You see the Takayaru not to company in the Sian. I don't get that this young uncle was a little bit of the kind of Palo Bruno Bodo Muna, Nelly, Kiniame, and get some more, but the kind of Polo Bodo, as I know Polo.
Asa, I hope I did not keep you waiting because.
No, actually, you came very fast.
Yes, I pulled that immediately you called me. Me and Debem, I pulled that with everybody. You know, I can afford every other thing in this life, but I can't afford to keep you waiting. It's the honor. They're very expensive.
That's so cute. But why do you come with all your cars?
It's because of you women, no. Even never carry color issues. Every time you people like making choices, different choices. And so I came out with all my cars so that you choose the one that will be suitable for your outfit. You know, you guys like too much.
That's so cute of you. And I hope you will keep up with all this. Not later you start acting nonchalant.
I take exception to that. That's why you will not place me there. I'm an Odogu. I'm not all these boys in Yahoo, Maka2 That's their behavior. You know, if you see me for that kind of settings. Till lack of communication do us part. No be for man with talent. I gallant for your mataya. So just like And from the look of things, you help me execute the promises I made to my unborn kids.
What promise is that?
As I promised my unborn kids that they will be bullied for having daddy's money. And also a hot mom. And luckily for me, you're not just hot. They usually catch fire. As I don't mind me, I'm just fun to be with. Come and get into the car and watch the blood. Hey, mama, work it for me also. So Zora me chocolate and caramel. Oui.
Let's have it.
Anyway, still last position. You know, if you be one for